Mr. President, Serge Parnell again. My question is the following. The current official position of the French Minister of Foreign Affairs has been expressed by Bernard Kouchner since at least, I think, almost 2 years. It consists of recognizing a unique genocide, the genocide of Tutsi, which is clearly expressed. But Bernard Kouchner said at the same time that he has never said that French army was anyhow involved in the genocide, and will never say it. My question is the following: will you wait for him to contradict himself to have to improve really the relation between both countries?
Well, I sometimes, even when I'm not told that exactly, I can understand why people say certain things or behave in certain way. I'm sure beyond saying the right things that I know Kouchner and others know, I think sometimes they are worried about their own political constituencies. So sometimes people have to be politically right, not factually right, but must be seen to be politically right. So maybe he's trying to be politically right. That is now to the constituency in France rather than to the truth of the matter. But the facts about that do not even have to depend on what Kouchner says. The truth about that depends on the facts on the ground, whether Kouchner decides to pronounce himself correct on that or not. So on that particular one, I don't depend on Kouchner or anybody else in the leadership in France to tell me that the French army was involved here in one or another. I depend on the facts that I know. I was here myself. Even Kouchner used to come here during that time. But for me, I was always here. I was permanently here in the scene. I lived the life, and there are others who know the facts. So the facts can speak for themselves. Actually, before, during, later on in some other forms after the genocide. So, if the foreign minister has difficulty in pronouncing himself about the facts of the French army and other institutions' involvement in Rwanda during that period, and what forms it took and how much he participated in doing this or that, I will forgive him. It doesn't depend on him. It depends on what happened.
Yes, but if I may, sorry to interrupt you, but he's representing officially. He's not only Bernard Kouchner. He's the foreign minister. I know you know.
Yes, so it means I put it in that context, and of course it probably has an effect and bearing to how the process of normalization and relationship takes. It does have one or the other, no question. So we will continue putting on the table what we have as facts or what we have as speculations or what people say for different reasons. We'll put all that on the table, and we should be able to do some sorting out of that and seeing how we advance.